Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl, Hey Jasmine Joy here, and today I'm going to be filming a wig review for you guys. I'll be trying on, it's upside down, I'll be trying on the Sensationnel textured half wig in the style Rainmaker, and I got the color 1B. That's what matches closest to my natural hair color. This is a synthetic wig made to look like a natural blowout to match African American textured hair. It says for all curl types from 3B to 4C, so I think that's pretty cool. It's meant to mimic a natural hair blowout or roller set, it says. So I think this is cool for people that are natural, that want to have a pressed or blowout look without, having their hair suffer from the heat damage. I am going to be applying heat to my natural hair today, but you don't have to. You can definitely do like perm rods in the front of your hair. So yeah, I think this is a good option. So that's what I'll be doing for you guys today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let's go. Okay, so right now my hair is kind of already prepped. I'm just gonna comb it out a little bit. So my hair is blown out already. I've already got the straight backs in the back. My hair is already braided to protect the rest of my hair. So all I'm gonna do is do a light press in my hair, my head. So I'm just gonna do a light press with my flat iron here, just to make sure that the hair looks as much like the wig as possible. So I'm just gonna straighten it and do a little curl at the end. Alrighty, so I did a light press at the front of my hair. I'm gonna spray a little bit of this Got to Be Free spray just to keep the little curl or whatever I put in it. So that's done. I am gonna touch up my baby hairs a little bit. They are pretty much already done. But my baby hairs are already done, so that's good. I'm just gonna put a little bit extra of this Got to Be styling glue on the edges. Make sure hair, like it literally looks like I just got a fresh blowout. It's crazy. And there's so much volume, like oh my gosh.